welcome to News.
Here comes your weather report from the Haitian through the Phanerozoic era. Here comes Samantha with your Haitian weather report.
Hi there. Thank you for that wonderful introduction, Sophia. The weather for today will look a lot like this. The air is going to be hot, thick, and steamy, and full of dust. So please put on your oxygen masks before you leave the house. The air will be composed of nothing but carbon dioxide, and water vapor. There's traces of nitrogen and sulfur compounds in the air, so please, I cannot stress, wear your oxygen masks. You're going to need that for about 4 billion years, so make sure to stock up. Also, don't forget about your sunblock, because the temperature is going to be about 446 degrees Fahrenheit, and our sources tell us that the atmosphere will have large amounts of nitrogen, so I would like to inform you to bring
My name is Sophia Purdy, and this is your weather report for the Archean era. You're still going to need that oxygen mask that you used in the Haitian era because of the explosive volcanoes that are releasing toxic gas into the atmosphere. They're also releasing huge explosions of molten lava. Although the Earth is cooling, so there are rocks and continents forming. The sun's rays are super intense, so make sure to wear your sunglasses and your sunscreen, otherwise you'll be mutated. You might also want to pack an umbrella because it rains a lot in this era because of the gases that are being released by the volcanoes into the atmosphere.
In the Paleozoic era, where things go from being just the right temperatures and life getting more complex to the Snow Age lasting 10 million years or more. Make sure to grab a good coat. If you land in the first part of this era, then make sure to get in the water quickly so the single-celled plants can give you oxygen and the sun's radiation on the surface doesn't mutate you. If you land in the later part of the era, there are more complex multi-celled organisms, and ozone is helping reflect the sun's rays so that there's not as much radiation, but you're still going to want the radiation suit. Plus, the temperatures are starting to go and eventually will reach negative 58 degrees Fahrenheit all around the planet, so have a nice coat and warm gloves on.
In the Phanerozoic era, the climate is generally warm with a bit of arid air. Temperatures vary from 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, reaching a high of 70. The environment has slowly been taken over by conifers and geosperms, striking a sudden increase in seasonality. The sealands have become very low and stable as a result of continental collision on Earth. This will lead to sudden separation of Europe and Africa, signaling the start of the Pangea. Be on watch for sudden meteorites and dark clouds of dust blocking the sun's rays, causing a darkening and chilling of the Earth. These events have sprung a sudden increase in plate tectonics and plant and animal life. This sudden increase will be expected to last around 4 to 6 billion years. Check back in later for an update of today's weather report.